This is New Year's Day. Happy New Year's Day, everybody. Look at Ackee. You know, they say your words are powerful. And as you notice on Monday Meds, on Monday, I shared about Ackee and eating from the Ackee tree. And look what we got. Yes, there's some there. And yeah, we have some in here too. Yep, and look what my husband showed me. Look at this. This is this is twin Ackees, or what we call Arelis. Remember the Arelis? Yes. So this is the Arelis. That's this. That's the yellow part of the Ackee, as you'll remember, and that's actually quadruple. Yeah. What you call it, honey? Quadruplet. Quadruplets. Yes. Quadruplets. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. God is good all the time. That's two twins there. Look at it. Two sets of twins, Ackee. Yes, so yes. Happy New Year, and may God bless you and keep you and shine through you. Yes, and yeah, may you eat from the land. Eat from the goodness of the Lord. Yes. All the best, and this is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow us on all our social media platforms.